Chapter 7 Working with Sprite. Scratch is a free programming language designed for children to enhance their computing skills. In the previous class, we have learned the basics of Scratch, like what are its different components, opening, closing and saving a Sprite project, and so on. Let us expand our knowledge. This chapter will deal with creating new Sprite, looks block menu, and how to change the backdrop of the stage. Create your own Sprite. Sprite is object that perform actions in a Scratch program. In the previous class, you have learned how to change Sprite by choosing New from the library. But it is also possible to create your own Sprite. To create your own Sprite, follow these steps. Step 1. Delete the Sprite 1. Step 2. Click on the Paint New Sprite button from New Sprite tool. The paint window appears. Step 3. The tools are similar to the tools you have learned in Paint or Tux Paint. Draw a character of your choice. Change the name of the sprite. The new sprite will come up on the stage and will get added to the sprite list. This sprite can be dragged and moved on to the desired location on the stage. The zoom buttons can be used for increasing or decreasing the sprite size. Looks block menu. The way a sprite looks can be changed using Looks block menu that can be found under the Blocks palette. It is a purple color block. You will find it highlighted in purple. It contains 19 sub-blocks. When you will select the Looks block in the Blocks menu, you will be shown different blocks with which the color, look and size of the sprite can be changed. Make the sprite change its color. To change the color of the sprite, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Looks block from Blocks palette. Step 2. Drag the Change Color Effect by 25 block to the Scripts area. Click on the green flag and the sprite will change color randomly. Make the sprite say. You can also make the sprite say something on the stage. To do so, follow the steps. Step 1. Click the Looks block from Blocks palette. Step 2. Drag the Say Hello for 2 seconds block to the Scripts area. The number of seconds denote the time for which the words will stay on the screen. Step 3. Type the text which you want the sprite to say instead of hello. You can also change the time. Step 4. Click on the green flag, hiding the sprite. The sprite will be hidden from the stage when you will click on Hide block, showing the sprite. Selecting Show block will bring back the sprite that is hidden onto the stage. Clear graphic effects. In case you want all the graphic effects removed that have been applied to the sprite, you can click the Stop button or alternatively select the Clear Graphics Effect block. You will see that the sprite has come back to its original shape and color. Changing the backdrop of the stage. The backdrop of the stage can be changed using the new backdrop icons. A backdrop can either be created or any backdrop can be chosen from the available built-in options. There are 4 options available in Scratch that helps the users to change the backdrop of the stage. These are discussed below. Choose Backdrop from Library. Choosing this option will help you to select a backdrop from the Scratch library. Step 1. Click on the Choose Backdrop from Library option. You will see that Backdrop Library will come up on the screen. Step 2. This library has 2 sections, Theme and Category. Choose the desired backdrop from the list that comes up. Step 3. Click OK. You will see that the theme that you selected will be set as the stage's backdrop. Drag and adjust the sprite with respect to the backdrop. Paint New Backdrop. Clicking on this button will open the Backdrops window editor, where a new backdrop window can be created as per the requirement of the user. Upload backdrop from file. When the users click on this option, it opens Select File or Select Files to upload by app:/scratch.swf dialog box. After selecting the required file for backdrop, click the Open button. You will see that the chosen image has been uploaded for the backdrop. New backdrop from camera. When this option is selected, it allows the users to click on the image with the help of the built-in camera of the computer system. This further imports that image on the stage as a backdrop. Working with two sprites. You have already learned how to create a sprite on the stage and change its costume, backdrop, etc. Now let us make a project using more than one sprite. Step 1. Open the Scratch window, right-click on the cat sprite and select the Delete option. Step 2. Click on Choose Sprite from Library button. The Sprite Library dialog box will appear. Choose People from Category section and select the Abby. Click OK. Step 3. Now select the Costumes tab. We will notice Abby A, Abby B, Abby C and Abby D under the Abby Sprites costume list. Step 4. Select the Abby B costume and adjust its position by dragging it to the desired position. Step 5. Again click on Choose Sprite from Library button. The Sprite Library dialog box will appear. Choose People from Category section and select Ballerina. Click OK. Step 6. Select the Ballerina D costume and adjust its position by dragging it to the desired position. Step 7. Select the sprite one by one and start creating the block stack step by step in the sprites area. Click on the green flag button located on top of the window. Observe the two sprites talking to each other. Congratulations, you performed very well. Thanks a lot. Lesson sum up. Scratch is a free programming language designed for children to enhance their computing skills. Sprites are objects that perform actions in a Scratch project. The way a sprite looks can be changed using Looks block menu found under the Blocks palette. Looks block is a purple color block. It contains 19 sub-blocks under it. Paint New Sprite button will open the Paint Editor window where we can create or draw a new sprite.